Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine yeast using an easy method. Making your own wine yeast at home is a rewarding and straightforward process, perfect for any aspiring winemaker. We'll cover everything from gathering simple ingredients to the final storage of your active yeast culture. This method is designed to be accessible, requiring minimal specialized equipment and just a few common items you likely already have. Let's get started on cultivating your very own robust yeast for your next batch of wine. For this easy method, you'll need just a few key items. First, grab 1 cup of fresh, unsweetened fruit juice. Apple or grape juice works wonderfully. Next, measure out 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar and a small pinch of yeast nutrient, which helps the yeast thrive. Crucially, you'll need a clean, sanitized glass jar, ideally with a lid that can accommodate an airlock. Proper sterilization of all your equipment is essential to ensure a successful and uncontaminated yeast culture. Now, let's get the fermentation started. Pour your 1 cup of fruit juice into the sanitized glass jar. Add the 1 teaspoon of sugar and the pinch of yeast nutrient. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once mixed, secure the lid or airlock onto your jar. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally maintaining a consistent temperature between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. You should see activity within 24 to 48 hours. You'll know your yeast is ready when the active bubbling subsides and a layer of sediment, which is your yeast, settles at the bottom of the jar. This usually takes about 3 to 5 days. Carefully pour off the clear liquid from the top, leaving the concentrated yeast slurry behind. Transfer this active yeast into a clean, sealed container and store it in your refrigerator. For optimal performance, aim to use your freshly made yeast within 1 to 2 weeks for your next winemaking project. Enjoy your homemade yeast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.